In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Murder Mystery 2 on your PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and play Murder Mystery 2 on your PlayStation 4 using your DualShock 4 controller. One thing that you will notice is that I am recording this video on my PC, but don't worry, the process of playing it on your PlayStation 4 is exactly the same, and I'm only showing it on my PC because I don't have the means to access a PlayStation 4 console at the moment. But regardless, all that you have to do here is open the latest version of Roblox, make sure that you update it if necessary. You can press the options button on Roblox to check for updates, and afterwards look for the game. So you will be able to look for Murder Mystery 2 inside of the latest version of Roblox. Now, when you find the game, to confirm that it is the official experience, double check to see if it has 15 billion visits and also around 90% upvotes. So all that you have to do is select this green button to play. Now, of course, it is going to look slightly different between PlayStation 4 and PC. However, upon joining the experience, it is going to be exactly the same. So you will load in and you will be able to walk around using the left joystick, move your camera with the right joystick, and you can even use the options or the share button to select individual aspects about your screen. So as you can see, I can go over to the game mode browser, I can change game mode, and I'm going to display this in just a second. You will be able to see all the players. The only limitation and difference that you might notice is that you won't be able to use your chat. But besides this, everything else should be working. You can emote as you wish, and besides the text chat limitation, you will still be able to play and experience Murder Mystery 2 on your PlayStation 4 version of Roblox. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Murder Mystery 2 on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.